Apple may refuse one annual premiere of iPhone smartphones in favor of two, but not earlier than 2021. The total number of new smartphones will also increase. In 2020 there may be 4 instead of 3, and if iPhone SE 2 is released, the total number of new products will increase to 5. Apple style change. Apple will change the strategy for the release of new iPhone smartphones and refuse to present all the new products in one conference. She followed this approach for almost 13 years of iPhone history. The very first Apple smartphone came out in January 2007. Instead, she will begin to hold 2 premieres, but at the same time reduce the number of models shown at a time. This assumption was expressed by analysts at JP Morgan, while Apple itself has not yet issued its plans for the near future. In their opinion, the new strategy will not take effect until 2021, although in 2020 the iPhone lineup will undergo significant changes. They, experts say, will become a kind of preparation for global innovations in 2021. 2 premieres instead of 1. Starting in 2021, Apple will hold 2 conferences with the launch of new smartphones, one in the first half of the year and one in the second. The exact and even approximate dates for these events at the time of publication of the material were not voiced by experts.